Hi everyone! So today, let's explore this hotel. This is a European-inspired architecture and modern minimalist. Tara, let's explore this room. This is a superior room. It comes with a mini kitchen. Sulit talaga yung babayaran mo dito. It has electric stove, plates, spoon, glass. Nandito naman lahat yung mga gamit na kailangan dyan. Okay? So ito yung sink. So let's check naman the wardrobe cabinet. It comes with 2 bathrobe, mga hangers, and here is the safety deposit box. Okay, so for next area naman, here is the tea set and coffee set. So they have a complimentary, ayan, cream, coffee, sugar. Pero guys, ito, this is for sale. Pwede mo naman kainin yan, but you have to pay later. So here is a pitcher, glass pitcher. Mag-init, may water kettle. Next is the mini fridge. 2 slippers, yan. In this area naman is the work desk. Tayong hair blower. On this side, itong bed na to, this is a queen size bed.
Ang laki ng room na to, 28 square meters to.
Meron siyang TV, coffee table na may 2 pang chair. Yan. Pwede ka talaga dito mag-relax. So guys, sobrang sulit na nito, no? Kasi imagine mo, for a price of like 2,000 plus, meron na yung kasamang breakfast.
You can book this at their website and use our promo code 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃. May 10% discount niyan.
Here is body mirror, katabi niya yung bathroom syempre. This is the bathroom. Maganda dito, separate yung toilet and the shower area. Tapos itong shower area, meron kang shower curtain. Meron na rin, ayan, hair and body gel. They have toiletries. So, ang maganda sa toiletries na yan, they have the dental kit like the toothbrush and the toothpaste, shaving kit, vanity kit, ayan, shower cup, comb, body lotion, and soap, ayan. So, they also have fresh towels.
And now we're ready for pampering time. They also offer an in-house massage for as low as 750 pesos. That's 60 minutes. Actually, mamimili ka kung sa room mo ikaw magpapamassage or sa spa room mismo sa hotel. Just right after the massage, nagpunta naman kami sa Sky Deck, one of the best rooftop spots in Ortigas with amazing skyline views whether day or night. At andun din ang gym at swimming pool. Ito na nga, nagutom na kami, nag-explore kami around the area. Sakto talaga itong place na to. Malapit sa Capitol Commons, Estancia Mall, Unimart for groceries, at malapit din sa Kapitolyo. Pwede ka mag-food trip or food crawl. Okay, guys, ang favorite ko talaga na kainan dito, yung Canto Freestyle, itong Frankie, saka yung Chachago. At marami pa actually kainan na sobrang sikat din. Nako, i-check nyo itong mga to kasi ang dami laging kumakain dito sa mga lugar na to. Sulit na sulit talaga ang location ng hotel na to. Ayan, time to sleep. Ang lambot ng una. The next day, ready na for breakfast. They serve a good buffet breakfast spread. My local favorites at continental dishes for only 350 pesos per head. Friends, if you're searching for a stylish city-state that blends comfort, class, and convenience, Privato Hotel Ortigas is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to use our promo code 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 for additional 10% discount on their website. Thank you so much for watching.